Top 10 biggest railway stations in India. 10. Patna Junction Railway Station, 10 platforms. 9. Allahabad Junction Railway Station, 10 platforms. 8. Kanpur Central Railway Station, 10 platforms. 7. Kharagpur Junction Railway Station, 12 platforms. 6. Ahmedabad Junction Railway Station, 12 platforms. 5. New Delhi Railway Station, 16 platforms. 4. Chennai Central Railway Station, 17 platforms. 3. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, 18 platforms. 2. Sealdah Railway Station, 21 platforms. 1. Howrah Junction Railway Station, HWH, 23 platforms.